Clown. Clown.
Hi everyone, my name is MaKayla. MaShelle, if you're new here, and if not, then welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I dyed this unit. It is a really fun unit that's very much so out of my comfort zone. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole gist of the video. So this doesn't need a really long intro. So last thing I need to say before we get on into the video is like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at MaKayla. Okay, let's get on into it. Okay, you guys, so in the first batch of hair dye that you're going to see me mix together, I mixed in 2 bottles of the coral, half a bottle of the blood orange, less than a fourth of the clear, and about a dollop of the pink. For the exact amount of the pink, you guys are going to be able to see the amount that I used at the end of this clip. Now I will say, you guys are going to see me mix in more dye later because I did run out of this dye, but I'll explain that later on. Okay, you guys, so here's when I started to notice that I was running out of dye. So what I decided to do was to use the dye that I had left to make sure that I could dye all of my edges the same color of orange. I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't going to end up like running out of dye in between dyeing some of my edges, and then they were 2 different shades orange. So this is what was smart to me at the time. I really don't know if it was smart, but yeah. Okay, so for the last batch of hair dye, I ended up mixing in a bottle and a half of the blood orange, the rest of the clear that was left over, so about 3/4 of a bottle, and then I did end up putting just like another dab of the pink, but I didn't want it to be too pinky or too reddy, and I felt like the blood orange already had enough like red in it, and it looks like it's the same color on camera, but I promise you guys this second batch of dye was like a lot more red and a lot darker, hence why I'm gonna end up fading it at the end of the video.
hair, but everybody wants to clown.
And then also, you guys, after I got this color, I ended up washing it like 4 times, I'm not gonna lie, because the bottle of coloring said that the color will gradually fade. So I was hoping that the color, you know, would go from that to something more along the lines of this. So that was why I washed it that many times. And you guys, honestly, it is still very moisturized for me to have washed it that many times. So I'm really, really happy with the quality of this hair. And yeah, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at MaKayla MaShelle.